Well, I'm in a very picturesque place in Stirling, so it's up at one of the reservoirs, which there's many of them, but there's a multitude of bird life on here and wildlife. The good thing is you don't know what to expect. On the reservoir just now, if you can have a look, there's some young signets and young ducks there, so I'll zoom in let you see just. I can find them. There they are. I don't know where the mother is, like, she must be in these reeds over here. She can't be that far away, but they're on their own there, so they're prone to any predators there.